Ma- hello, hello everyone. Myself Venkatanesh and my USN is 2SD20EC045. Today I am going to explain about the event topic that simulate and demonstrate the network address translation using CISCO Packet Tracer. What is network address translator? To access the internet, one public IP address is needed, but we can use a private IP address in a private network. The idea of a NAT is to allow multiple devices to access the internet through a single public address. To achieve this, the translation of a private IP address to a public IP address is required. NAT is a process in which one or more local IP address is translated into one or more global IP address and vice versa in order to provide internet access to the local host. Also, it does the translation of port number, that is, mask the port number of the host with another port number in the packet that will be routed to the destination. It then makes the corresponding entries of IP address and port number in the NAT table. NAT generally operates on a router or a firewall. Now to start the experiment, we have used PC0, PC1 and a server and the switch 0, switch 1 and a router to the router 3, and we have connected each port to the each ports, and we have declared private as a 10.10.10.0 and public as 50.50.50.0, and here network address 192.162.10.0, and here private address 20.20.20.0, public is 60.60.60.60, and in the PC and switch we have to enter the private and public numbers, and we are in the router we have entered the config terminal, and which IP address we have entered as 10.10.1 10.10.1, and the config address is config IP addresses, and the IP route of the router from input to the switch to the PC. Similarly to the router 3, we have entered from interface serial to interface serial into exit, and static sources 20 static source and NAT source, and we have entered the IP route of the router 3 also, and coming and after this we have to go to the PC port. In this PD4 we have to go to desktop. In desktop we have to run the command prompt. In this we have run the ping 60.60.60.2, enter. It shows it's a public network, and we have to enter ping 20.20.20.2. You have to enter is destination host is unreached because it's a private network. And coming to the server, in the services here HTTP is on, in the HTTP service is on. In auto index edit, here I have entered my name Katanish, and you have to save it, click yes, and you have to close it. Coming to the PC1, you have to go to the web browser. In this URL you have to type 50.50.50.3 and click go. It displays a mail Katanish, welcome to the CISCO Packet Tracer, opening doors to new opportunity, mind work open. It is a public network access. Now we have to again close it and open the browser. Then we will see if it shows the private network. So private network is 10.10.10.10.3, and we have to enter, and it displays isn't showing anything. So it's a private network. It will go to the request timeout, and hence the private network is protected. See, the request timeout has been displayed there. It's a private network, and 5150 is a public network. Hence the NAT is working perfectly. And finally concluding that NAT is working perfectly. Thank you.